Yes, sir.
Where is Shiva?
No idea, sir.
Just call me. Okay, let us do with this. We'll join meanwhile.
He's joining, sir.
Joining? Okay. Okay. So let me go to the program. So let me tell what is this. Then let me go here. So can you see I'm getting the layout over here? Okay, what is the layout I saved? Okay, so I'll place it over like this. Yes, got the concept. So what I'm doing here, so this is the function model. What are the things I need to pass? I need to pass ls variant, okay, and save as a mode, because this is, as I told, this is user specific. Another is u is there, u, x, and a. Okay, three values you can pass over here. So what are the things you need to pass here? You need to pass the current program name, that is scirep id. Okay, so here you need to pass the directly. What you need to do, no, after this in the ALV, okay, here somewhere in the is variant, you need to pass direct value. What is that is variant? If I'll go here, in the export importing, so here is variant. So directly you need to pass this value. What is that value? ls variant you need to pass. Okay. So here ls variant. Then directly that but value will be x variant. So why it is telling ls variant is unknown? Because this values has been declared. We need to declare this on top. So here I will take this cells order, and here no layout font. Why? Okay. No, this is not working out. But here it has to work. I don't know what type of layout we have saved there. Are you following, guys? Yes, Shiva,
Yes.
following what I'm doing.
I'm understanding what you are doing.
This is a user specific, not the. So already what I did, no, I just take a F4, okay, and I need to just take a value. Here I'm just taking F4, okay, and I'm taking a value from here. Once I execute, this is not working, okay. It is displaying all the column, right? Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what do you need to do, no? You need to display like this, okay. You need to display beyond exist, yes, override, yes. This is not working.
You will save the layout like that.
I saved like that only, no? Yeah, I think that layout is saved like that, right?
No.
So here,
Some fields and save also with
yeah,
the
I
same.
need to change this one. Yes, got the issue. I need to save. Okay, now I need to save. So what I will go execute this one. I can directly take from here. So here the list of layout will come. Okay, execute. No, it's not working out. It is not everything.
That layout is getting changed with the model layout, and it is getting saved also.
But layout is getting changed. Why? Yes, you are right. The layout is getting changed. Okay. Okay, so just I'm leaving it to you. I'm just giving this task to you. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I'm just giving this task to you. You just need to explore it out. Why the layout is not working out. But this is the way how you need to take a variant. Okay. Got it. I think this is a very small issue. What you need to do? You need to, what are the value you need to pass here? So that's why this is optional. If anybody don't want that, I should enter I should get the variant value, they will not go for this option. Rather, they will go directly to the ALV report and they will select column over there. Okay. So here, what you need to do here, you need to take a variant, then at selection screen on value request here. In this variant, you have to take this function model. Okay. And this function model has a isave. Okay. Isave. Then what is the value you need to pass here? You need to pass the current program name. Okay, that means the current program means what is the program name? ZDemo LV report and SAIU name. SAIU name means current username. Okay, what is your username? Username is SSC10. Okay, so you need to pass to this one, and here you will get a detail because this will act as a it will give all the detail, variant details over here, and I need to assign to this my parameter. Okay, so this is all about your variant. Once I activate and go here and here. So in F4, I will give list of layouts, okay? And once I execute, that layout will be set. But here it is not setting up because I think some issues are there with this layout. It is not saving properly. Whatever layout we have there, no, this layout is changing, okay? So that is the reason this default layout is coming over here, okay? So you need to find out what is the issue, why it is coming like that. Okay, you need to just explore it out. Yes, Dipti, if you are not,
Yes, sir.
I will also find out that issue. I will do that, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So this is all about your variant. Okay, so now you got the point, second point. So there are other function modules. Okay. So there are other function modules. Hold on. There are other function modules. Use ALV variant F4 variant. So try to use them. Okay. In some way or other way, try to use. If you're not getting, just no. We will do for this one also. But I just currently use this one and utilize that one. Utilize the variant option. Okay. So here, while creating, now that day we studied about creating a field catalog manually. Okay. Yes. But here we'll study about how to you can create automatically. So for automatically, what you need to pass in the function model, you need to pass all these three values. I program internal table name and include. Include. What is this include? You need to create a structure. Okay. So what is the field catalog is giving? What kind of features field catalog is giving? You can create a column description. Okay. Yes. If I'll go to the field catalog, yeah. So all this functionality you can put in the, you can make a particular column as a checkbox. Okay. No sign, you can do edit also. Okay. And you can give a column position also. You can make a sequence one by one column sequence. You can give a column description. Okay. So all this functionality you can do by using the field catalog. Okay. So field catalog can be done by using this manually. What we just created is the manual way of creating. Okay, but there is a way to create automatically. How to create automatically? So let me go. I need to create a structure for that. Okay, so what I'll do. So what is my final internal table values? These are my final internal table values, right? So I'll copy them. Copy them and I'll go inside where I can create a structure. Yes. 11.
Data type.
I will create a ZSTR, ZLB STR. Okay. Just create, click on create structure,
Structure.
and then here LV structure. What I need to do, I need to copy all of them, paste it over here. Okay. Similar way, I just hit enter. That's it. Here I'll paste it over here, and then hit enter. So everything got created. Okay. Then I'll just activate them. I need to do an enhancement category for that. So it's asking a reference field because we have taken a what the NATWR. What is the reference of that NATWR? Here it is a BAP W maybe AK, I think that is. So I'll do syntax check. Yes. Yeah, now everything okay. Now I'll go to create an enhancement category. Okay. So here, where is that enhancement extract? And I'll hit enter. Can be enhanced copy, then activate. So the same, I will take that copy. So what I'll do now, I just comment this part. Okay, I just comment this part. What I'll do, I'll create another one for form. I will have a field cat one. Okay, field cat one. So here, what I'll do, I will create a field catalog manually. So how can I do that? What is the function model as I told? Reuse ALV field catalog mod. So copy this one. Okay. Copy this one. Go to pattern. Paste it over here. Okay. Okay. So what are the things you need to pass over here? You need to pass the in exporting. You need to pass the program name. What is the program name? You need to pass the SIREP ID. And what is the internal table name? Internal table name is IT final. Okay. IT final. Then in the include.
So how will come to know which one we need to put it under inside the single quotes and which one we need to put it without a single quotes?
If you go to the function module, no, you can easily find out. Okay. So here the structure name. So this is taking. If you go inside name of the internal table, because automatically the DDA structure report to it. So here I call back program. This is program name. So if you click on this, no, okay. Hold on. If you click on this function mode documentation, okay. So here it will be exactly the demo will be displayed over here. So hold on. So here program name, what are we going to pass? So if you see that function model definition, no, here the function model documentation, you can find out over here. So structure name, you have to read all this, okay. So I think that you will get through your experience only suddenly, because in LV also, if you see here in the LV, how can you read a function model? Now how to read a function model? There will be a function model documentation will be there. Here, just go here, function model documentation, okay. Then here, program error solutions, table.
So some of the things in blue and black, is it any difference?
Sorry.
If you come out the parameters, having
Uh-huh.
some parameters in blue, some parameters in the black.
Yeah,
In the function model documentation.
yeah, functional documentation. You have to go to functional documentation. You need to read all of this documentation. Otherwise, you cannot get it. Okay. You have to read all of this documentation. So then only you can find out what is the parameter I have to pass here, display. Okay. So here, can you see in the function model, the table contain more fields than relevant list. So only fields specified in the controller layout, all other fields are omitted. Okay. So all this documentation you will get inside the function model. So that comma or without comma you will get through your experience. Okay. So here, let's say for I say why I just pass this U double quoted, because they mentioned that way. Okay. So if I'll go to import here. So here the as variant just display here. So can you see here? This is I call baker. Hold on. What is the other one? Variant. See here, they're showing comma, right? Can you see here? So they're showing.
Yes, sir.
So from here only you will have to know that what I need to pass over there. Okay. So you have to thoroughly read that function mode documentation. So any function mode, if you go and study, easily you will get all the details. Sometime you will get an example also. Okay. Sometime you will example. So if you go to this function module, no. If you go to this function module, then here IS variant, what you have to pass here, everything it will be there. So it is taking you to pass that value inside this function module. Okay, so each of these are linked to reuse LV. Okay. So you have to read this documentation, then only you will able to know that where to pass what. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
So here, what I did, huh? Yes. So here, IT final. Then the structure name is, what is the structure name? Z LB STR. Okay. And what is this? IT applet. Okay. So let us see. So see, can I display that? How this can be displayed? See, all these values are coming from a standard descriptions, value from net value, currency, sales, or okay. Got it. So this is the manual. No need to write all this, um, all these things. So unlike the what the manual way of creating the field catalog is much more different than the how you are creating the manually the automatically. Okay. So here you can comment. See how we are creating. This is a time taking, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
But this has a different function of this. If you want to edit a particular column, then you can directly make a edit or checkbox is equal to X. Okay. But here you have to again loop it up. Again, in this case, this IT field catalog, you have to loop it again. Okay. So this is from a structure. You can directly give a structure. If you have that, you want to display only display structure, then just create a structure and pass it over here. Okay, by this function model. What are the things you need to pass here? You need to pass the current program and the final internal table, then the structure and the field catalog. Automatically it will come to this one. Changing means it will act as a export and import. Okay. So here the values are getting import. Okay. And this value you need to pass in the where reuse LV display. Okay. Got it.
Yes, sir.
I think Dipti, you are understanding.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you have any doubt, just let me know. So have you got that?
Okay.
So just tell me. So field catalog can be created in a how many ways?
2 ways.
2 ways. One is
Automatically and manually.
what is the way of creating automatically? What are the thesis automatically? What do you need to take? Column position, field name, tab name, and cell text M. Okay. Cell text M means you
Yes,
have
sir.
to give a text. So this is a medium. There is a short medium. This is length. What do you mean by this M? This is medium. There is L also. That means a short. Okay. S means short. L means long. Okay. So if you have your description is very lengthy one, then you have to go for L. Okay. So how many character you can give? I think for a particular column, I think 120 to maximum I think 256, not 128 character also. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay.
So you got how to create a field catalog. So we understand how to create a variant, how to consume a variant in a LV, and second one is how to create a field catalog manually and
Field catalog.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is third step. Now let me display creating an event. Now next thing is a event. So what are the events at the top of page, end of page? Okay, and you have a user command also. So you have a you can create a event by using this step by using this function mode to use LV event get, or directly you can pass over there. Okay. Same way we started our layout also. What is the layout? Already we passed. We have used the layout also part of that LV report. So what are the things are there in layout? If I'll go to this layout, So here, we'll go do this.
Form layout.
Down there is a form layout, sir.
Yeah, form layout. Yes. No, I'm not going there. I should go to data part, declaration part. Yeah. So if I'll go to here, what are the things are there in each layout? So here, can you find it? So there is a, so beside to that you will get a description. Okay. If you don't want heading, then with no heading. Okay. Hotspot also you can give it a zebra means stripped pattern. Okay. Now if you display this ALV, we are getting strip pattern, like how a zebra has a strip pattern on its body. Same as the report also strip patterns. Okay. So if you
Okay. One dark and one light.
execute this, can you see this strip pattern? Okay. So you are getting a strip patterns. Okay. So this is because of that layout zebra equal to X. Then only it is coming. Otherwise it won't. Okay. So then you have a vertical lines. Uh, if you want to merge two cells, then you can merge it also. Okay. Then you can make edit also. Okay. Then what else? So many things are just how to go there. Okay. Just click on this structure. Okay. Then this main. Okay. Then here you will get all this type declaration. So all this functionality you are getting over there. Okay. So this is what this slide is telling. Display option. You have a total. You can make a total also. You can make a color. Okay. You can make a display variant also. So all these are getting part of the layout. So this is how you have to pass this layout. You have to take a structure of type sleeves layout underscore ALV. Then there you have to pass zebra equal to X. Call it optimization means what you mean call. Suppose a column having 50 character and the value itself is having, let's say, 2 characters. Then automatically all this space will be get optimized, means the column will get shrink. Okay.
Mhm.
Got it.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Then this is called sort statement. So sort, basically we can have a, if you want to make a ALV in a sorted order, okay, that you can do that way program level. Okay. Then this is for top of header. Okay, this top of page. That means this functionality is giving the header description of a particular ALV report. Okay. So how can you do that? Just let me go to my report. Yeah. How can you do that? Just report, go to this report, and here top of page, can you see here? Enable this one. Okay. And here first top of page. Okay. Here I think go to this function module in the documentation, you can easily understand what you need to pass over here. So here top of page, click on this. What is this telling? Form top of page. Okay. So that means you have to create a form and form. Okay. So how can you do that? Go back here. So this is top of page. Okay. Now what will happen? You have to take a form and form. Okay. Form top of page. Top of page. Okay. And then this is this is and form. Okay. What got it?
Yes.
Now, how can you give that top of page description here? So if you go to this, there is a function model called reuse ALV commentary, right? Okay. So what you have to do here? Okay. So I have to declare a list header type. For the beginning, what I'll do, I will declare of type this one. Okay. This is for top of page. What I'll do, data IT list header. Yeah, IT list header. Type test it. Okay. Then you have to hold the area. You have to chain operator over here. How will you know this work area type? This is a table type. So go click over here. So this is list T header. Okay. Paste it over here. Okay. Now this is the first thing you have to do. Then next thing, if you click on this, there are three things: key, info, and type. So this is a header, selection, action. Three things is there. Okay. So here, what I do here, go back. Now at the end, what I'll do is first list header hyphen. What is that? Not remember. E. Okay. What is that? This is type TYP. TYP type is equal to H. Okay. Then list header type info. So I'm declaring some. This is sales order report. Dot append list header to IT list header.
T list header.
So here you have to use a function module, that is this function model. What is the function model? Reuse ALV comment write. This function model basically will write that particular text on the top of page. Okay, means at the beginning that will be act as a heading. So here I will use this IT list. Okay. This syntax check. What is this list header? What do you declare in this? At the beginning. Hold on. Here. List header. Here the syntax check. Okay, everything is okay. So let me execute this report. Okay, this is not working out. I have to check this option. So can you see the heading is appearing over here? Yes.
Yes.
So this is called top
Yes,
of
sir.
page. So this is top of page. Okay.
Okay.
So what are the things I did here? Once I'm just recap that concept. So what you need to do? You need to declare a internal table to work area.
Why we need to declare internal tables? There's only one value. You can directly use work area also. Fine.
No. See, one value means there can be possibility of multiple values also. Okay, I can give a date also. See here. Here I'll go here. Okay. So here I can give a date also. Okay. For date, what I told her, I have to take a data LV underscore date type string. Okay. And then what I have to do? But I'm taking current date. Okay. So how I told you how to do that. Yes.
Sir, type should be system date or something, no, sir.
So let me take a string over here. So what I'll do? Concatenate. Okay. Concatenate date. Then side item. Okay. Uh, what is that I told her? 0. Sorry, this is 4th of 2, 6th of 2.
6 of 2.
Then this one. Then side item. 2, 4 of 2, right? 4 of 2. Then side item.
6
Side item 0,
0 4.
0, 4. Okay. 0, 4. Into LV underscore date. Okay. And then here, what do you need to do here? Yes. So here, instead of info, you need to pass as a LV underscore date. Got it? Got it. So here the syntax check, activate this. Okay. Here like this. So well, display, no, just display. Display the data. Can you see the date is appearing over here? Okay, got it? Yes. So your question
Yes,
is
sir.
why, if there is a single information, why you need to take an internal table? So if I'll give
Yes, sir.
you got the point right now.
Even though that is for two different fields only, no, sir.
No, no. Why you should take an internal table here? Yes, Dipti. What is the reason? What is the reason?
There are 2 records.
Yeah, there are two records, right? In an internal table, if you take work area, by default I
It
will
will take only one
one
record.
record only. If I want to append multiple records, then how I will do that? So by default, SAP has given internal table instead of a work area over there, right? Yes.
Yes.
So I can display the heading also, what is this report date, and who is that username also I can display. Okay, got it.
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason, there is a internal table has been given. So same as there are other events also there. Okay, I can give a logo to LV also. I can give a logo to LV also. So that we will study tomorrow. Okay. So I think
Okay.
for each and every detail of ALV report in deep, so that you can study, you can know get that ALV, because currently in a organization, report means people are designing only ALV report. They are not going through any classical or interactive report, because ALV reports are much more advanced than the classical and interactive report. Yes, got it.
Yes, sir.
So in user command event, we will design an interactive LV report. Okay, that means if you click on a particular record, it will navigate to another LV. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow we'll study all these events. So I'm going in detail now. What is your task? I'm just giving today task. So what is my task? You need to design a purchase order report. What is the table you will take? IKKO, KPO, and IKB. Okay. What is the common field here? EDLN.
EBL,
EBLP. Okay.
EBLP.
Got it.
Yes, sir.